All right, we're gonna go for a part deuce of the dryer vent clean out here, because you know what? I just feel like there's more there to give. So I am gonna step inside with Mr. Leaf Blower. Only have one camera, so sorry you don't get the inside view. So, you know, here's the blow-by here, or the product. I'm not sure if you could see it from that last angle. Kind of went all over the place here. And let's take a look through the louvers and see what we shall see. You know, I really could take those louvers off and wash them. But yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Pretty good. Good enough for me anyway. Now, all right, let's see. For the final step, we put the anti-beastie screen cover on it. There we go. We're locked in. Just like it never happened.